Brought to you direct from Studio 3B at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, the American Hardwood Advisor is your source for trends, tips, and insights into how the building industry has evolved. Join me, Steve Stack, along with guest builders and industry leaders as we talk shop and go in depth on what it takes to be the best of the best. Dive into topics like architecture, industry trends, project plans, historical tools, tricks of the trade, and life's lessons from more than 6 decades of experience in the hardwood lumber business. Hey folks, Steve Stack, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, coming to you from Linesville, Pennsylvania, Renovation Hunters Outdoor Channel, Season 2, Project 3 this year.
Yes, sir.
We have 6 behind us.
Yep.
We're going to talk about the American Hardwood Advisor today and Christy Miller, Oak Hill Millworks.
Hey, that's me.
You're here.
I'm here and back home-ish.
Kinda.
Yeah, about 2 hours north.
Right?
Yeah, it feels good to be home.
We are in the midst of the 3rd build this year, Season 2.
Yeah.
And didn't seem like a lot, but it's about 1,600 square feet of a lot.
It's bigger than what we've been working on, and it's newer. I think it was 50s, 1950s.
That's like 30, 40 years old, yeah.
But it's a lot of tedious demo on this one.
The demo was different, and
it's small demo.
Yes, and making what we left behind look good has been a little bit of a challenge. But we're adding a lot of new features.
Absolutely, a ton.
This, they were subtle, but they're impactful.
What's your favorite? Yeah, what's your favorite one that we're doing for this build?
I have 3.
You can't have 3. Favorite means 1.
Then they're a third, a third, a third.
Okay, fair. I'll allow it.
If you walk in the front door, once we get those oak countertops on the new cabinets with the shiplap walls and the pine T&G ceiling, that's going to be awesome. Yeah. But if you make the corner and go into the living room, that antique oak collection wall covering that we're putting in there,
saw blade marks,
is going to be very eye-catching. But from a sentimental side, if I'm allowed to, you go through the double doors. We are moving Mom from the front of the house master to a newly created master that has more style, design than probably anything we've done.
Yeah.
And I think it's going to be a real cozy place for her to call.
I think she's going to be shocked at first.
Yeah.
And then get to see all the details that were put into it from Baird. That's going to be, those windows.
So it's been fun. I mean, there's been a lot of product introduced. Something we were talking about earlier, and you're becoming a fan of, is the backband product.
Yeah, I hadn't seen that before, and doing that to make it look like a picture frame around the windows. What I love about it is the fact that it's basically the rabbet is done for you.
Oh yeah, yeah. And it takes a piece of flat stock. In our situation, we've been using 1x3 poplar finger jointed material and picture framing the existing windows. Yeah. And then chasing it or race tracking it with the backband material, and it really gives it another dimension. Still a little bit craftsman, but enough design to say, look at me.
Yeah.
And,
I like it.
And it's easy to work with.
Yep. It looks clean.
Yeah. Baseboards, Nice, clean, simple.
Did you see the closet?
Saw the closet.
Room?
The
Room in there.
the T&G pine in there.
Yep.
We have the oak in the living, the shiplap, and some more of the pine in the kitchen.
Is there anything not made by Baird Brothers on this one?
Well, we've got a nice little secret going out in the garage.
Oh yeah? I haven't gone out that way.
It's going to be a place to get your buddies together and
Oh yeah?
have a cocktail.
Nice.
And
We'll have to test it out.
we're introducing some cedar T&G product that we handle out there. And oh my gosh, I almost forgot. I mentioned the oak tops in the new kitchen, but
Oh, the dining table.
did you see it?
Well, it was just stacked up, so I'm not sure.
Character grade,
Yeah.
hickory. The guys at the shop did a whale of a job doing a
Nice.
layup for a character grade.
I love that hickory. I incorporated hickory into what I made back home.
You did?
I made a little sign. I think it's going to go in the dining room, so I incorporated some hickory.
Cool.
Baird to frame it out.
A lot of good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Where are we at? Day 4, day 5,
Yeah.
right?
Is it?
Yes.
Either way, we still have a lot of work to do. As
In 3 days to do it.
Yeah. I think it's going to be a couple late nights.
We can handle it.
We always do. Or at least Kev comes back the next day to finish it up.
So guys, more good stuff coming. This will be the Linesville build airing on the Outdoor Channel under Renovation Hunters, Christy Miller, Oak Hill Millworks, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. We're in the midst of another great project. Stay tuned and see how she turns out. For all you folks listening, thanks for talking shop with Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. If you've enjoyed this episode and want to stay up to date with the American Hardwood Advisor series, give us a like and subscribe. For more tips, projects, and inspiration, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or at BairdBrothers.com. Until next time,